Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tide, the place where creativity meets craftsmanship. In today's episode, we're bringing you an astonishing project that proves you don't need a factory to build a yacht, just vision, skill, and a bit of scrap material. Let's get started. This isn't your typical luxury yacht. This one is handcrafted using discarded car parts, reclaimed wood, and lots of ingenuity. Inspired by traditional Southeast Asian boats, this design is deeply rooted in utility and resilience, built to serve real needs with smart solutions. These types of vessels are widely used across Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Vietnam. Here, generations of local builders have relied on limited tools and materials, yet they produce incredibly functional boats. Crafted mainly from wood, the hull is shaped using simple hand tools, then strengthened with practical design additions. To improve internal rigidity and balance, PVC half pipes are placed strategically along the inside of the hull. This not only strengthens the frame, but also keeps the boat lightweight and responsive on the water. The exterior is completely wrapped in fiberglass, a material chosen for its superb water resistance, flexibility, and strength-to-weight ratio. Fiberglass serves as a tough outer skin, sealing the wooden base and providing durability for long-term use in both calm and turbulent waters. Around the edges of the hull, strong wooden planks are fixed to add further structural integrity. These edge boards reinforce the skeleton of the boat, helping it withstand pressure and vibration, while also offering stable anchor points for deck components. Functionality is key, and that includes fishing. Thanks to its shallow draft design, this boat can easily navigate narrow rivers, flooded rice paddies, and tangled canal networks, making it perfect for both fishing and transport. In remote or underdeveloped areas, these boats play a vital role. With roads often unpaved or flooded, water transport becomes the lifeline for moving people and goods. These boats ferry everything, from rice and produce to construction materials. They also serve as local water taxis, helping residents cross rivers and travel between rural and urban locations. When monsoons arrive and flooding cuts off roads, these boats become the first responders in emergencies. They help deliver food, rescue stranded families, and even carry medical aid to those in need. Their reliability during disaster seasons makes them indispensable for communities living near rivers or deltas. All in all, these boats represent a beautiful fusion of cultural wisdom and practical problem solving. But building one requires skill, and a lot of hard work. Additional wood reinforcements are added to the boat's structure, focusing on key pressure points that need more support. These are placed methodically to enhance the hull's stiffness and overall stability. Now it's time to install the propulsion system, a critical part of making this boat more than just a floating platform. That starts with welding a secure frame to hold the propeller shaft in place. Reinforced steel brackets are attached beneath the boat to support the propeller's movement. The propeller is mounted onto the shaft to convert engine power into water-pushing thrust, letting the boat move forward or backward. Inside the vessel, this shaft is carefully linked to the engine using a coupling system and precision bearings. Then comes the transmission, giving the boat the power to reverse, glide, or spin on the spot. The centerpiece? A restored 30-year-old Subaru hybrid engine, re-engineered to operate as a marine motor. It begins with a complete teardown of the engine, disassembling each part for cleaning and inspection. Parts like pistons, rods, camshafts, timing gears, and cylinder heads are all scrubbed clean and checked for wear. The reassembly process starts with oiling all moving parts and installing the crankshaft back with fresh bearings. Next, pistons are placed into the cylinders, rings checked, and the cylinder heads are sealed in with new gaskets. Valve gaps are readjusted, and the camshaft is realigned using timing gears and belts. The original transmission is repurposed and connected to the engine with a custom-made adapter plate. Gear selectors are then modified to allow smooth transitions between forward, neutral, and reverse. PVC tubing is used around the engine's mount base, not only to provide stability, but to absorb vibration and distribute weight evenly throughout the hull. Before final installation, the engine is bench tested for leaks, timing accuracy, and consistent combustion. Once it passes, it's installed inside the boat with fuel lines, exhaust paths, and cooling hoses all connected. Now let's shift focus to the man behind this ambitious build, the creator of the Nasat Sangtao YouTube channel. Known for turning junk into genius, he's become a legend in the DIY space. His videos often feature boats, watercraft, and other machines made from broken down parts, old engines, and reclaimed material. From a pedal-powered boat to a burnt boat turned shark jet ski, his imagination knows no bounds. He's even restored a 20-year-old Toyota V6 engine and breathed life back into a decades-old Subaru Boxer engine. Each of his projects carries a clear message. Creativity thrives in constraint. He's shown the world how discarded parts can become tools of freedom, fun, and even survival. And through his builds, he encourages others to see possibilities in things they once thought were useless. As the final assembly nears completion, several essential features are added. The steering system, complete with a wheel and control cables, is installed to give the driver precise control over direction. A welded operator seat is fixed in place, offering comfort for long rides. Wooden panels form the floor, making it sturdy for standing or working. Controls like the throttle and gear shift are installed for speed and handling. Finally, the entire exterior is painted with waterproof coatings that seal the fiberglass and wood underneath. This not only protects the boat from the elements, but gives it a polished, finished look. With everything in place, this hand-built yacht is ready to take on the water. It's not just a boat, it's a floating symbol of what's possible when creativity, passion, and a few spare parts come together. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into DIY brilliance. If this project inspired you, don't forget to check out Nasat Sangtao's channel for more incredible builds. And of course, stay tuned right here on Tech Tide, where innovation never sleeps. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating,